Haka Department of Commerce jangka St. Edmunds College haka jinga trailang ringkat bat kabis Builder Club and IQAC jangka college mentaka singi arpun rio tarik uyayong kala Pynlong yaka international seminar bashisngi ha college auditorium halor kapang business and sustainability daka jingkershan lang kanip ko Shillong and Roy Enterprise lakto kya Guwahati. Hakane ka program lawan bandan rengkat lang Professor Idub ubadei Vice Chancellor National Law University ubalalong ru kumukong san bat haba ajing keren nakaliang jung Professor Idub ulaong watla hakakam business kadika kam bangi tre ban yonong namar klem yonong kam laban long Henry ulaong pat mdei tang ban perkat ya kajing yonong Henry dan kam ru ban perkat ya kajing mentoy jong kamay mariang shu ahagani kasngi lawan bandan lang kiwe kiriu pau khmat Kumu Dr. P.P. Sharma, Resource Person, Guide College of Business Studies, Royal University of Bhutan, Mr. M. Maharana, Ubadeiru Director Finance Jongka Nipko, Rengkat Kiwei Pat Kiba Yo Oban Aya Kajingkran Jongki, Kiwei Kiranya Shimbanta, Naki College Paper, Rengkat Ki Samla Pule Jongka St. Edmunds College, Naka Commerce Department.
I will just switch between these two, whatever I have written and what I wanted to speak. And possibly that will do a better justice for this particular international conference, because I couldn't understand while I was writing that what is the dimension you wanted to bring in. So my written speech is a very standardized speech which generally people speak of. See, the topics which you have chosen is a very complex topics. Once you are talking about the business and then sustainability. And possibly now both this particular word we are uttering for several decades now together. There is a lot of attempt has been made from the domestic part as well as the international forum to bring a synergy into these two concepts of business, two concepts which is very independent concept, the business and the sustainability. And possibly there is an inner conflict into both these particular conceptualities. We find an inspiring story from the Bhutan, and I believe there is a many countries in the world who are attempting now, and also in our country too, there is a lot of attempt in different parts, either in a fragmented manner or in a very cohesive manner, or maybe top-down manner. I don't know what is the word. Let me take some of this example to make this process clear. I mean, make my opinion clear. See, when I say that business is originally for profit making, right? And while you are doing the profit making, you never require to see that what are the things you are taking it for granted to run your business, right? Only objective for a manager is to make a profit. And then there is a lot of things coming to that, which my friends was talking about, the ethics, morality, good governance principle, managing in the right manner, so many things we have tried and brought in. Now when we talk about the sustainability, in other way around, what is the sustainability? I think the term has been coined when people started get a hit of environmental change or fundamental climate change, right, in 1973. And then everybody was started imagining what should be the sustainability, and I think all of you know Agenda 21, World Report and all these things, and we started expanding into the business domain. And even today, we don't have a clarity of what is the sustainability all about. Now, sir, don't mind, I'll be a bit critical of you when you say that your company is producing a green energy, hydroelectricity, and that's how we knew that hydroelectricity is a clean energy. Even today we talk about the solar energy is a clean energy. Now, is it the sustainability is complex issue? Because we don't know we thought that engineering solution is the best solutions to bring in, and that can bring a better way of our living. But in that particular process, how much we are hitting back to the nature, we ourselves don't know, right? And for that matter, whatever the conceptualization which has been developed until now, that environmental impact assessment, or some of my colleagues talked about ESG, right? These are the conceptualizations, right, which we keep on happening. Why this is happening? Because we are not clear. Because the moment we say that no, I'm comfortable with the kind of conceptualization of sustainability, we found, oh, there is something I have done which is creating a trouble for me now, right? So, in the major country, there is a major country today, we are talking about decommissioning of the dam. You might know that India has started a program called River City, where there is almost 176 river city across the globe has joined. So what I'm trying to say that it is very easy to tell us that this is a sustainability and we'll go into this particular way. But believe me, until now, nobody actually knows what is the sustainability. Now let us come into the second part of the business. Until now, we are all talking about the profit maximization, and I believe sir will agree with me from the business school. They mostly focus on that, how we will give a better return to the owner, right? Either the shareholder or whoever is owning this particular thing. And naturally, by this particular process, you have actually taken many things for granted. For the matter, water, groundwater. Today, you cannot drink the water which is supplied by your municipality. I remember when I was young, I never had a filter at my home. We used to take the tap water. But what happened? Today you will find in every home there is a filter, right? And what basically happened, the pollution which we are putting it into the river or into the aquifers, in the ground, or whatever the method we have adopted, we have actually passed that particular cost of treating the water to the domestic people. Right? So, because one has to show that you are making a good profit for your owner.